Pasima. I'm sorry I seem like a shady dude. When times are hard for your family, paying your lady dues. You come so far, having a happy family is daily news. Man, I miss you playing with me, chasing me around in your baby shoes.
Hey you guys, good morning. It's been a minute. I think I did post another though, what I eat in a day video that was supposed to been posted like months ago. So I don't know if I'm posting that still or not. More than likely I will, but for those of y'all that don't know, your girl has been going through some changes, and I'm sure a lot of y'all know. My face might look a little fuller to you guys, a bunch of things like that, but mama is pregnant, a whole 6 months pregnant, hence why my nose might even look a whole lot bigger than normal. It was already big, but it spread more. So I am pregnant. Some people say keto did it. Who knows? I'm not completely all the way sure. I doubt it, because my tubes were tied for 7 years, and now I am 6 months pregnant. So today's video is going to be still kind of more on the what I eat in a day on keto video, but honestly, since I've been pregnant, I have not been strict keto at all, hardly. Some weeks I am, a lot of times I'm not. It's just certain things I want, like fruit. Then I have to eat certain grains. So with keto, that's a no-no, and only certain fruits you can eat on keto. So first things first, I'm going to show you guys some things that a company sent me called Keto and Co. So they sent me several things, but I'm only going to be making maybe 1 or 2 of the things they sent me today. So the first thing I'm going to show you that I will be making, let me get it in order, because it's not. So I'll be making some Keto and Co pancakes, and they have the waffle mix. I'll probably just be doing pancakes. So they sent me this, and I'm so excited to try it. Their website is ketoandco.com, and this is only 2.0 carbs, net carbs per serving, and it's gluten-free, non-GMO, diabetic friendly, no sugar added, and it has 73% fewer calories than the leading brand. So this can make 30 pancakes, and they're ready in 5 minutes. So I'm gonna do some pancakes today, but I do think I am gonna add some blueberries to my pancakes as well. So what I need is 3 large eggs beaten. It says 2 tablespoons of nut milk or water. I'll be using water. 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm going to show you everything else that they gave me. I have some shortbread keto cookie mix. I have some fudge brownie keto mix. I have some chocolate keto cake mix, which I'm not a fan of chocolate cake, so my kids might want it, but I have some vanilla keto cake mix, and they sent me the buttercream keto frosting mix. So that was really cool and nice of them, so I'm excited about it. So today on the menu is going to be blueberry pancakes, maybe waffles, we'll see, but blueberry pancakes or waffles, eggs with cheese. I'm going to have some sausage, and that might be it. So here is my breakfast. If it focuses, I got 2 blueberry pancakes, some scrambled eggs, some sausage, and some blueberries. So that's what it is. So yeah, I'm about to eat that. And these videos might be a little different because, oh, and let me get in focus. Also, I got my Keto maple flavored syrup, 1 net carb, and it's keto friendly. And then I got my hot sauce for my eggs. So this is what I'm eating for breakfast as a pregnant woman. All of this goodness. So I'm about to smash. I got my water, coldest water bottle on deck. And yeah, I'm about to eat this. To me, this is kind of a large breakfast. Don't even know if I'm gonna eat it all. I'm gonna try. But like I said, I really don't have a huge appetite since I've been pregnant. Here we go. Okay. Let me take one more bite. Hold on. So, they're not bad at all. I will say, you can taste the hints of egg. It's not like a super eggy texture, which I'm not mad at because I don't like super eggy pancakes or waffles. Yeah, it's not bad. So I would recommend it, but I would also think that maybe doing waffles will be a lot better because it'll be crispier, and if you don't want your pancakes to be as soft, probably I recommend doing waffles over pancakes. But the pancakes are still good. I like the blueberry inside, but they're really good. So I recommend. It's good. So I'm gonna finish eating. And I'm not pregnant, but got other stuff to do around the house today. Other videos to do. And I will see y'all probably around my little snack time, or if I get hungry. Okay, y'all, so it is a lot later in the day. It's about 2:50, and I'm not making like lunch or anything because I had a big breakfast, as y'all saw, the pancakes and eggs and sausage and the fruit. So your girl, and I'm pregnant, so, and this is not just a keto video, this is what I eat for today being pregnant. So I'm going to eat a banana, and some of y'all gonna probably dislike this part, but I'm keeping it real. I got my Quick Trip ice water, and I'm about to eat a few of these chocolate covered flip pretzels. And literally, I mean a few, but neither one of these are keto. And again, this is not keto specifically. It's just what I eat. I do eat keto sometimes, but this ain't keto. So I'm about to sit here and eat my banana, drink my water, and eat on some pretzels. Is this how you, how they say the banana's supposed to be open at this end? Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna open it at this end. Oh! I don't like the brown thing.
Sam's hands are tracing the 13 stars of Pegasus.
Alright, you guys. So, please forgive me, but I know it looks like a whole different day. It is. And I have on clothes today because I just got off work. My dinner portion that I filmed, I deleted it trying to look through my dang camera and accidentally deleted it. I'm always doing that. So I decided y'all still needed to see what I eat for, you know, for dinner. Y'all saw a breakfast and y'all saw a snack, and it's not every day, it's different stuff all the time. So today I'm gonna include the dinner portion, and I'm just gonna have some chicken tacos. So I'm using the Tyson blackened chicken breast strips. They are 1 net carb for 3 ounces. And then I'm gonna use my carb balance mission tortillas, 4 net carbs for 1. And here's my, I'm about to cut it on, but hold on. I have them in my air fryer, about to cook. So I'm just gonna add some lettuce to it, some tomato, what else am I adding? Sour cream, cheese. Sorry y'all, I'm trying to plug up my air fryer. And some salsa or some taco sauce. Probably my keto taco sauce. Alright y'all, so I let it cook in my air fryer for about 10 minutes. And now I'm just cutting it up. And I found my chicken at Hy-Vee. I'm not really sure where you can find this. I know H-E-B, I think some people said has it, but I don't have an H-E-B where I stay. Or a Kroger, it might even be there. But I found it at Hy-Vee. So I'm just gonna cut this on up. And I didn't want to cook it too long because I've made these before and they are good. And I cooked it for 15 minutes and it kind of dried my chicken out. But now the chicken is perfect. I'm just adding some taco cheese, shredded cheese, and I'm gonna nuke this back in the microwave just so my cheese can be melty. I like melty cheese. Some lettuce on these. Some good old lettuce or whatever. So I'm gonna add some taco sauce. This is the keto. Well, not keto. Well, it is keto friendly. But the Spanish Gardens extra, extra hot salsa. I like this a lot.
Mama, I'm bored.
And I'm going to add some good old Daisy sour cream.
Leaky!
I like a lot of sour cream, y'all. And I'm going to just add some jalapenos. Stand back. We got on the same shoes. There we go. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and eat. Let's take a bite and see how it tastes. Throw this gum away. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of seeing what the pregnant woman is eating. So it's still low carbish. It's not keto. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. And I'll try to do more of these. I'm gonna try. I can't promise because I'm so busy. Like I have to leave now. My daughters have dance class. But thank y'all so much for watching. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.